Are you ready for the next revolution in mirrorless photography? Nikon is once again pushing the boundaries with its highly anticipated Nikon Z90, an APS-C powerhouse that could redefine the industry. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, or hybrid content creator, the Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be the ultimate camera for high-speed performance, groundbreaking autofocus, and top-tier video capabilities. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the Nikon Z90 leaks, its expected release date, its specs, and why it could be the best APS-C mirrorless camera ever made. Stick around because you won't want to miss the incredible features packed into this camera. Let's get started. Sensor and image quality, next-level APS-C performance. Nikon is known for its cutting-edge sensor technology, and the Z90 is rumored to take things up a notch. If leaks are correct, the Z90 will introduce a brand new 33MP APS-C sensor, offering exceptional image quality and improved dynamic range. What this means for photographers: higher resolution, more detail for cropping and large prints, better low-light performance. ISO range could extend up to ISO 25600, making it a beast for night and indoor photography. Advanced image processing. Powered by the XP7 image processor, the Z90 will deliver faster readout speeds, better noise reduction, and higher dynamic range. If you're upgrading from an older Nikon APS-C camera like the Z50 or Z30, the difference in image clarity, sharpness, and color science will be night and day. Speed and burst shooting, built for action photography. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the Nikon Z90 is its insane burst shooting capabilities. Nikon is reportedly equipping this camera with a 20 FPS RAW continuous shooting mode, with the ability to capture over 1,000 images in a single burst without buffer slowdowns. Why this is game-changing. Perfect for sports and wildlife photography. Freeze fast-moving subjects with ease. Improved shutter mechanism. Reduced rolling shutter and near-instant response time. No blackout OLED EVF. Seamless tracking of fast-moving subjects, giving photographers real-time feedback without disruptions. Nikon could be targeting professional action shooters who want an APS-C camera with full-frame speed at a more accessible price point. Autofocus, AI-powered tracking system. Nikon's latest cameras have already shown impressive AI-driven autofocus performance, and the Z90 is rumored to take it even further. What we expect: over 500 autofocus points, covering nearly 100% of the frame for accurate focusing. Animal eye autofocus instantly locks onto pets, birds, and wildlife with precision tracking. Sports tracking, predictive AI for real-time tracking of fast-moving athletes. Smart object recognition. Autofocus adapts based on your scene, ensuring sharpness every time. If the rumors hold true, the Z90's AF system could rival the Sony a6700 and Canon R7, making it a top choice for action photography. Video features, the ultimate APS-C hybrid camera. Nikon is also gearing up to compete in the hybrid mirrorless market with a range of impressive video specs on the Z90. Expected video capabilities: 4K 60 FPS. No crop full sensor readout ensures better image quality and more flexibility in post-production. 10-bit 4:2:2 external recording. HDMI output for professional-grade footage. N-Log and HLG support. Capture high dynamic range footage for cinematic color grading. 5-axis in-body image stabilization. IBIS smooth, shake-free footage even when shooting handheld. This makes the Z90 not just a photographer's dream, but also a vlogger's and filmmaker's powerhouse. Design and build, rugged yet compact. The Nikon Z90 is rumored to feature a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, ensuring durability in extreme conditions. Additional design highlights: 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen, ideal for vlogging and creative shooting angles. High-resolution OLED EVF, crystal clear viewing experience for better composition. Dual card slots, supports CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD cards for ultra-fast data handling. With a balance of portability and ruggedness, the Z90 is designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Connectivity and battery life, next-gen features. Nikon is focusing on cutting-edge connectivity options to keep up with the demands of modern photographers. Expected connectivity features: Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, faster image transfers and remote control functionality. USB-C with power delivery, charge on the go for longer shoots. Cloud-based file transfer, Instantly upload images without needing a PC. Battery life. Estimated at 700 plus shots per charge, making it reliable for all-day shoots. Price and release date. When can you get it? According to the latest rumors, Nikon is aiming for a launch window between August and September 2025. However, delays are possible if Nikon focuses on full-frame Z-mount cameras first. Expected pricing. Estimated between $1,500 to $2,000 USD. This pricing positions it as a premium APS-C camera, competing with the Sony a6700, Canon R7, and Fujifilm X-T5. If Nikon delivers on these specs at this price, the Z90 could dominate the APS-C mirrorless market in 2025. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the Nikon Z90? If you're looking for a next-gen APS-C camera that delivers flagship performance at a fraction of the price, the Nikon Z90 could be the perfect choice. With its high-resolution sensor, AI-powered autofocus, ultra-fast burst shooting, and professional-grade video features, this camera is shaping up to be a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Who should buy the Nikon Z90? Wildlife and sports photographers. Need fast autofocus and high burst rates. Hybrid content creators. Want top-tier video features in an APS-C body. Travel photographers. Need a lightweight, durable, high-quality camera. If you're considering an upgrade or switching from a DSLR, start saving now because the Nikon Z90 is worth the wait. That's all for today's deep dive into the Nikon Z90 leaks, specs, and release date. What are your thoughts on this upcoming APS-C powerhouse? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest Nikon news, camera reviews, and photography tips. See you in the next video.